This bird, they stubborn. You they stubborn. My body give brain. Yeah, fear. Relax. Babe, what's up?
Fine, good afternoon.
Hey, how are you?
So you are here, I've been looking for you since.
Nah, I'm looking for birds now that you used to celebrate the birthday.
Like serious?
Yes, now.
Have you seen any?
There's one I see here, but that one is very stubborn. Yeah, but I must got one before you go.
Okay, but you teach me how to do this thing.
Okay, want to learn?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me find some school. See, anytime you want to shoot anything, first of all, keep that thing well. Find the stone. Just look at. Just they watch my hand. Are you seeing me?
Yes.
Are you seeing me? And you know.
Let me.
Try.
I think you have a mouth odor.
Like this, ba?
Yes. Take it easy.
What thing that happened? Hey, who do this for me?
What be this?
Why? They hit me. You don't get sense.
Sorry, man. Sorry, I beg.